Hello. Oh, hey everyone. Let's get ready for part three of how to sell your clothes online so that you can make the money. Okay, my name is Ilya. Welcome to my channel if you are new here. I'm doing a video series on tutorials teaching you how to make money online by selling your things for free. Well, you're not selling your things for free, but you're not paying anything to sell your things. That's what you're getting. And I did part one and part two already, so if you haven't seen that, there'll be the attachment you need. You should go and really check those ones out. They are really good. This is the final part. I got really excited on this, and so I did three parts. So in the first two parts, you had 10 different websites and applications where you can sell your clothes. And part three, we're going to talk about a few more just to finish off. Okay, and so all of this is international. You can use it for wherever you are. And we're going to start part three with Craigslist. Craigslist is the dodgiest of them all. It's where I recommend the least, actually. You can sell your clothes and whatever type of accessories you have on here. They have an option for anything. So Craigslist, you can come here, sell your goods. For those of you who don't know, it's free to post your items and sell them, but you have to you have to meet up with the people. And the next one is Amazon. Amazon is a super popular one. Most of you probably know Amazon, and you know that you can sell things as well as buy things. So you can sell your things on Amazon as well. It's more. I don't know if it's as successful as the other ones, but it's an option for you. I'm not gonna go too in depth in this, but you can go to the to sell, and you can, like, once you've made an account, make an account, go to sell and see what Amazon will allow you to sell out of your clothing and what it won't. You could also make digital products and sell them there. So you can sell your clothes with merch by Amazon. This one is clothes that you don't own, but clothes you created yourself for free. So you created those clothes for free, and then you're selling them on Amazon for free. Amazing. So you can check out Amazon for that one. Bonanza. Dude, Bonanza, everything except the ordinary. So Bonanza is another one for men's, women's fashion, home and garden, beauty. It's a mix. It's a beautiful blend of things that you can sell. So you come here, same process. You post your things. Look, you can. It's already telling you. Look, compare us to Amazon, eBay, Etsy. I talked about Etsy and eBay in part two, and so those ones are also great options. So I'm already ahead of the game. Like, I've already talked about these things. But part three is where I'm talking about all the extra things. Like, you're gonna have so much information. So you can come here and sell your things. If the recommendations from the first two parts are not for you, perhaps Bonanza will be for you. But it's the same concept as the others. Next one is Grailed. Grailed. This one is unique because it is the only one that I'm aware of where it's kind of catered to men. It's where you can sell men's clothing and accessories. Okay, Grailed. It's a weird name, but this is the place. So men, come here, sell your things. This is like I think it's super cool. I really like this. I didn't know about this before, and I found out about it this week. But it's super expensive as well. But it's super great. You can name your price. People are putting things at a very high price. Why are they doing this? But hey, yes, look, you can make money. So it's great. If you're a guy, you can come here and post your pictures of your clothes. Look into how shipping works. Look into whether or not you have to take care of shipping, whether you are gonna be sent printing labels for your shipping. So check that out. Boom. Vintage dot Vinted Vinted.com. We're finishing off with Vinted.com. Ready to declutter your closet? Oh yeah, you are. Yes, you are ready to declutter your closet, because look at all these things that you could be selling with Vinted. Okay, this is nice. It puts me in a mood to like buy clothes, and I don't really like shopping, so it's a big one. You can go to Vinted again, kids clothing, men and women's clothing. This is a more minimalistic website. It's not as jam packed and filled as the other ones, so it's super easy to use compared to the others, because it's not as jam packed. It's not gonna give you like 20 buttons and a list of information to read through. But let's just explore with this one a little bit. You come here, you register with Facebook and Google, you sign up or you sign in, boom, done, just like that. Grailed, you sign up here. Again, same process. You create an account with those. Let's go to there. Yeah, that's what it is. Bonanza, when you want to sign up, register. Yes, there you go. You fill in your information, tells you where you're from. Quick signups for these quick signups. So yeah, you have many options. I'm going to leave links to these below so that you can use them. My hand just popped. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna go and cry. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you for watching all. If you watched all the parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, thank you for being with me through this journey. I hope that you've gotten all the information you need, and now you can go and make money and sell your clothes. You can thank me later once you've started making some money. This is to no benefit to me. All of this is for you, except Poshmark. I think I do get a benefit, but that's from part 1, where it's like I use Poshmark, so I left a referral link on there, so I get some money and you get some money to start shopping. So some of these, they have like a sign up deal where they give you $5 or $10 to spend. Sometimes it's $15, and if you're from Europe or other countries, just change it to your currency and that's how much you get. It's a good amount of money, free money. Who's going to complain about that? So if you want free money, check out the links. Go and see if they'll offer you special deals based on the country that you're in, because sometimes these websites, the information is slightly different based on where you are using it from. So it's good to look into that. Like sometimes when I sign up for accounts and memberships and I sign in from a different country, the things that they offer me are different. The information is different. So I think it's based on the rules and of the country, and then the website kind of works within those lines. So it could affect what you're given, what kind of benefits you have. But Grailed is good. Bonanza, Amazon, Craigslist, Vinted is one that I just really don't know much about, but I know that other people are using it, so it's a great option. Like I said in the previous video, you do not have to be someone who has clothes that they're trying to sell. You can just be someone who wants to make a business out of this by going to thrift stores, or even better, because then you're guaranteed probably to make profit. You can go to garage sales and get free clothes. You pick from the clothes, because often people are moving and they have some free clothing items there. You can just go and get yourself some free clothes, and that'd be nice. I'm not using pop filters today. Yikes. I'm sorry if this is a mess. I'm trying my best. If you like this video, you can hit the like button to help me out for making this content, and I would also appreciate it if you subscribe so that you can become a part of my community And if you hit the notification bell, that is an extra, because then anytime I post a video that you are potentially interested in, you will be notified and you won't miss out on any of the content. So please do that for me. I would really appreciate it. I need the support. Um, I do not plan to go on a crazy shopping spree, because then I'll have absolutely no money. And I don't really encourage you to go on crazy shopping sprees. These were not for you to go and buy a bunch of clothes online, because I know a lot of people like that. You can become the person on the other side. You can be the one who's selling clothes to people that are coming to buy clothing. So, and imagine on holidays, Christmas holiday, you're going to be making money, because that's when most people are buying. So if you time it right, you can really be gaining a lot of money from this. So yeah, you're welcome. Free content for you to make money. You're gonna make money off of me. It's gonna be great. Um, yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for just being here. Thank you for listening to my voice while I give you all of this information and talk crazy. And it makes me really happy to have this type of community where I can go and share information to people that need it. And that's also why I created my website and why I have books, because everything I do is to help other people too, is to get that information out there. So if I'm at least helping one person, for me that's great. So yeah, that's enough of that. Okay, I'm done. Bye.